In this video, we will learn about 15 health benefits of olive oil after the age of 50. Olive oil is an essential ingredient in all cuisines around the world. It is used in many fields, including cooking, skin, hair and treatment. Olive oil is rich in important elements and fatty acids. Accordingly, it provides our bodies with many useful nutrients. Virgin olive oil contains many nutrients that are beneficial to health. It is characterized by its antioxidants and inflammation, in addition to many phytonutrients and hydroxy acids. 3/4 of it also contains fat in the form of omega-9 and oleic acid. Olive oil is a good source of vitamin E. In this video, we offer you 15 amazing benefits of olive oil after the age of 50 according to the latest studies. We hope you like it and apply it. 1. One of the benefits of olive oil after the age of 50 is that it maintains the arteries of the body and gives them flexibility. It is likely to increase heart disease, atherosclerosis, and high cholesterol after the age of 50. It can be used by drinking a tablespoon of olive oil before bed or early in the morning. 2. After the age of 50, olive oil will reduce bad cholesterol in your body and prevent cell oxidation because it contains polyphenols. 3. One of the benefits of olive oil after the age of 50 is that it helps to lose weight, because it gives a feeling of satiety, reducing the amount of food we eat. This helps you reduce pressure on joints and bones, which enhances the strength and firmness of bones and cartilage. This is what we need after the age of 50. 4. It protects against stroke, especially for the elderly because it contains oleic acid. 5. It maintains heart health as it regulates the heartbeat and protects against many heart diseases such as heart attack and angina pectoris. It is common for a person after 50 to suffer from cardiovascular diseases. 6. Olive oil contributes to the treatment of various skin problems that appear after the age of 50, including pimples, blackheads, and others. It is used by mixing a tablespoon of olive oil with a little salt and rubbing the affected area. It also increases skin freshness and fights wrinkles on the face. 7. It delays the signs of aging, including lines around the eyes, forehead, cheeks, and neck because it contains polyphenols that protect cells from oxidation, especially red blood cells. 8. It treats skin burns caused by sunlight by mixing a spoonful of olive oil with water and then applying it to the burn site. It is common to go out after the age of 50 to practice walking, which is popular for men and women after this age, exposing them to sunburn. 9. Olive oil kills cancer cells in the body. It also stops the action and growth of cancer genes and thus protects against various cancer diseases. 10. It maintains memory health and protects against Alzheimer's disease caused by aging. 11. It moisturizes the lips and gives them more softness. 12. It helps hair growth, maintains hair health and softness, increases hair shine, and nourishes and moisturizes the scalp. 13. It moisturizes the feet and protects them from dryness, which is one of the common problems after the age of 50, by mixing olive oil with lemon and then rubbing the heel of the foot in circular movements. 14. It improves the performance of the digestive system as it contributes to killing the harmful cells in it. It also treats many different diseases that affect it, such as indigestion, constipation, diarrhea, stomach ulcers, and colon problems that increase with age. 15. While continuing to take it after 50, olive oil reduces various bone and joint problems, such as rheumatism, osteoporosis, and cartilage problems. Don't forget to click the like button.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to like channel to receive all new news.